This is a laser cut stencil and its primary objective is for you to be able to paint complex designs on any surface. The concept is super simple. You take the stencil and place it on the surface that needs to be painted upon. You secure it in place using this Abro tape, and that's it. You start spraying on top of it. So let me show you how we create such stencils at Orchid Digitals. The first step in creating your stencil is to create your design, and this is how to go about it. You first make a design in any software. Currently we are using CorelDRAW, but you can use Adobe Illustrator. Remember, you need a vector-based software where I can take the outlines and cut them on my laser cutting machine. Let me explain how. It will make sense in a minute. For example, let me take the word Mitesh. That's my name, by the way. I am taking this word, I make it bold, and I am just giving it an outline. You see this outline out here? This red outline is where our laser cutting machine is going to cut out the individual letters M-I-T-E-S-H. That's all there is to it. There is one small thing that you also need to remember. In case you have a letter which is fully enclosed, you need to create something known as a bridge or an island for a stencil. I'll give you another example. This time, let's use the word orchid and let's try to see how to create a stencil out of this. I've made this bold, I've given it a red outline, I've made it empty. Now what's going to happen is, if the blade cuts on the outside, the inner circle will also going to fall apart. Let me show you what happens is, let's assume that this is your stencil material. This gray area is your stencil material, and this white area is the area that is going to be cut out. Now, in case I cut out the outside line, there is no space for the inside to remain. In such a situation, for letters like O and R, which are enclosed, and D as well, you need to create a small bridge which joins the inside of the letter, the outside of our stencil material. Out here, I have created these three bridges that I use the trim tool to work with, and I remove this, and here our stencil design is now ready to send to the laser cutting machine. It's now time to take your stencil design and fire it on our laser cutting machine. The material that we will be using for this stencil is this 200 microns thick polycarbonate sheet. What we got to do is place this sheet inside the laser machine and wait for it to do its magic. And that's it. Your laser cut stencil is ready for painting. So the next time you need to create a stencil to quickly paint your logo on any surface, do not hesitate to call us here at orchiddigitals.com.